Pinipilit nila to take it out of its logical context. Abogado ako. Alam ko kung anong illegal at illegal. Alam ko kung anong actionable at hindi actionable. Hindi actionable ang maghabilin ka. Hindi actionable yun. Walang active threat kung hindi ako mamatay. Walang mali doon. Walang illegal doon. Sinabi nila kahapon kung sino bang nandoon sa inyo sa interview, press briefing namin. Sabi nila, pinalaki at pinalakas yung security ng First Family, ng President, dahil may threat. So ako, napaisip ako, nilalakasan niyo yung security niya? Ibig sabihin ba nun, papatayin na ako? Why for?
Another question po, just very quick. Do you see yourself patching things up with BBM in the future? Do you see that happening at all?
Well, I believe, ma'am, that we reached the point of no return. I really believe that we have reached the point of no return. And it is clear, ma'am, na parang they are really going after me. At gusto talaga nila akong tanggalin sa posisyon. And totoo talaga yung mga sinasabi ko na threats sa akin. Bago pa man nangyari yung kaguluhan sa House of Representatives noong nakaraang Friday, documented lahat ng threats sa akin, sa Office of the Vice President Personnel, and even sa aking family. So, gusto kasi mag-Vice President ni Martin Romualdez. At hindi niya alam, ayaw ng mga congressman at ng mga senador na mag-Vice President si Martin Romualdez. At hindi niya alam na ayaw ng taong bayan mag-President si Martin Romualdez. Unfortunately, hindi maintindihan yon ni Martin Romualdez. Yun yung problema